comment lagi. Oh, gibiyaan mo. Oy, gibiyaan mo.
Nice! Ito!
Nice one! Very good!
Ayaw gunong ba?
Agoy, gibalik.
Ayaw, balik-balik to!
JJ, ang heading ni mo, ba dito paingon dyan ayaw dire.
Oh, papaya na, yan na.
And Speedfast Manpower Services Incorporated. Thank you to all our sponsors for making the 8
Go! Dagan lang! Ay, kadali.
Good.
Gizob, I got look.
Ito.
Nice one! Out.
Luis! Labay, keeper, kusya! Freeze!
Good one. Balik! Agoy, wala! Nice one.
Ay, kadugsob!
Oo, very good. Nice one, very good.
Ano yung gibuhat? Bula. Ayaw gunahan tao. Atak!
Dito. Ayaw.
Here.
Dito, balik.
Pitch number 1, TB
Nice catch.
versus Team Cerveri. TB Liloan versus Team Cerveri.
Mayo lang.
Pitch number 1, referee. TB Liloan versus Team Cerveri. Next game, pitch number 4, Don Bosco Team B versus Canduman United Team A. Don Bosco Team B versus Canduman United Team A.
Nice one! Uy, wanidagan.
Ball. Short.
No, kay pasa na sunod.
Go. Ayo.
Next game,
Good pass. Uy, tanabtan.
versus Marigondon Kickers.
Ready yun!
Next game, pitch
Left, right,
B,
yun!
Group B. Open FC versus Marigondon Kickers.
Ay, magilog.
Farm C, Group C, Next 7. Don Bosco Team B versus Danao City FC. Don Bosco Team B versus Danao City FC.
Ay! Lumis!
Balik.
Nice one! Luwa!
Nice one, nice yan.
Clear. Tira na. Throw.
Balik! Balik niya! Balik!
Free up.
Nice one. Nice one, very good.
Nice, Pati.
Go.
Next game, pitch number 1. Next game, pitch number 1. Don Bosco Team C versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A. Don Bosco Team C versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A.
Okay, the same.
Next game, Team Magis versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. Magis versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. For pitch number 3, next game, Second High School Ihas de Jesus versus DP Liloan Daddy Logistics. Second High School Ihas de Jesus versus DP Liloan Daddy Logistics. For pitch number 4, Group D, Mix 11, Don Bosco Team B versus Canduman United Team A. Don Bosco Team B versus Canduman United Team A.
Yan! Palayo! Ayan!
Sos nga. Ay! Ay! Sa!
Coach Arnel Umayaw. Coach Arnel. Don Bosco.
Ayan!
Coach Arnel Umayaw.
Luwa!
Ay, may challenge to nga.
Cool! Cool!
Ay, may challenge to nga. Kita na ora.
Hey! Bullseye! Manon!
Agoy. Ay, airing ka tayo. Saan yung may taon? Airing.
Meow! Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Asap yun. Astang wise pass. Sab! Sab! Too early. Lagi wakit maamo ko na sakit. Sa ni bantay niya ba nga nana sa kontra itasa na niya bisag premature pa kayo. Lagi layo pa kayo. Freeze! Dagan! Ah, wani hunong.
Kaya.
Kuwasan. Nah, very good.
Ayo si Daddy to.
Saka na bola.
Nice one.
Iman. Bingo. Dagan man.
Next game is number 1. Don Bosco Team C versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A.
Oy, sama na nga patid ay. Sama na oy, sabiel ka pasa kalupad.
Basa na. Okay. Basa. Kana. Okay, dalayot. Ay! Ay, bata mo.
Nice one.
Ay, saan kumit?
Uy, ginoo ko.
Nice.
Extra. Nice one.
Yan. Press.
Oh! Okay. On! Isel! Go, Isel!
Next game is number 2.
Nice.
Uy, ginoo ko.
Ay! Isel!
versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B. Magis versus Lapu-Lapu City
Oh!
Heroes
Okay!
Team B.
Okay!
For
Okay!
pitch number 3, next game. Second
Ayay ka gagir. Tatay. Gustang.
For pitch number 4, next game, Don Bosco Team B versus Candoma United Team B. Don Bosco Team B versus Candoma United Team A.
Dito na oh, gingnan gina sila ngayon lagi pasa sa tunga basta duol.
Next game, pitch 5A. Paris Springer Titans versus Canloan FC. Paris Springer Titans versus Canloan FC. For pitch 5C, next game, Don Bosco Team B versus Danao City FC.
Ipakita mo guni si Sian.
Bosco Team B versus Danao City FC.
Saan? Pramapatid. Sa'yo pagkatira.
Mapalik ka dito na.
Ah, ni
Ano,
uno.
wata bola dong?
Uy, tako na po.
Time.